guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with another hair video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, hey girl, hey. Be sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave. In today's video, I'm doing a Indian hair clay mask. I got this from Target. It was like $8. I'm doing this because if you watch my last hair video, you see that I did a heatless roller wrap. Well, I've had that in for a few days, so I had to add some heat to my roots after a few days. And I also, if you can see, added some crimps to my hair, y'all. I ended up putting heat in my hair, so I don't think my curls were damaged because the crimps, it doesn't pass heat through the actual curl, but it's still heat. So just to be safe, I'm going to do the Indian clay mask. I got this clay mask here, and I'm just going to mix it with some apple cider vinegar. I just got me a bowl and a spoon here and some gloves. There's no formula for this. This is just what I'm doing for my own hair. This seems to work for me when, you know, after I go from heat to curl. So I'm gonna put this in and leave this in for about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it out and do my curly hair routine. Ooh, see, this should be all over the place. That's why I want gloves. But you see, like this, I'm gonna just pour some in the bowl, sis. About that much. And I'm gonna mix it so I can get like a pasty consistency with the apple cider vinegar. Really hate the way the apple cider vinegar smells, child. It's sizzling. Sizzle, sizzle. I just got a spoon and mixing it together, y'all. So you just want like a pasty consistency like this. Just gonna drench my hair in this mixture. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. About to twist it up, put on a shower cap, and let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then wash it out. Okay guys, so I just washed the clay mask out. Try to get it out as best as I can because it does leave like a film on your hair if you don't wash it all out. But I just washed it with Lotta Body, and I put some conditioner in it. If you watch my hair videos, you know I use different shampoos sometimes, but most of the time I use the Lotta Body. I just prefer that shampoo. I don't know why, I love it. But y'all, I'm excited. I got some new hair products. I think it's called Ouidad. Ouidad, I don't know how you pronounce it. Ouidad. But it's the Ouidad Vital Curl Tress Effect Styling Gel, and then the Ouidad Curl Quencher Hydration Intense Curl Cream. I'm going to do a wash and go, and I'm going to use these two products. These are supposed to be really good, and it was kind of expensive, sis. This stuff was $50. I had a coupon for like $4 off, I think, so it was like $46. I ordered it from Ulta. Hopefully this works on my hair. I used to like a different company like this called dang, what was that stuff called? Frida or something. Frida. It was like in a purple bottle, but they ended up changing their like formula and I stopped liking it. But I'm hoping this is better. I see a lot, well not a lot, but a few different companies a few different girls use this, so we're gonna see. So I'm just gonna section my hair and apply the product to get the wash and go effect. Curl cream and a styling gel. So I'm gonna put the cream on first and then the styling gel over it, and I got my dimming brush. I put the camera closer. Y'all like this view? So I can give you a little more update, because I know I be looking down in my mirror. I can't concentrate and look in the mirror at the same, in the camera at the same time, y'all. But I'm just saying. So curling cream. So I'm gonna put about this much on each section. That was about 3 squirts, but this is a brand new bottle, so it didn't come out right away. It smells very salon-y, like a salon hair product. It smells like, it has like kind of like a fruity smell to it, but not like most natural hair products. I don't think this is like natural hair. This is simply for curls. And then I'm gonna put a squirt of the gel. I'm not gonna use a lot of product because I don't know how this works. I've never used it before. So I'm just gonna comb it with my dimming brush. Curl the ends and let that be. I actually think that was a little bit too much gel, so I'm not gonna use a full squirt. I'm gonna go half on it because it just feels a little, well, the curls are still forming, but it felt a little heavy, so I don't know. But I'm doing sections about this big. Cream first. 1 squirt of cream, I think that's good for this amount of section. Rub it on. Half a squeeze of gel. Brush through it with the dimming. I like to brush through it a few strokes just to make sure the curls are getting formed. So far so good. So I'm not gonna talk to y'all the whole time. I'm gonna speed this up and repeat the process that I've been doing. Cream first, gel, dimming. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's all, y'all. So hope you enjoy the music. See you when I'm done. bang type of look, even though my bangs grew out, but just gonna part it on the side so that the hair is not all in my face while it's trying to air dry, because I'm about to take me a little nappy nap, y'all. I'm gonna let it air dry for about an hour, then I'm gonna diffuse it because I have somewhere to go. I don't have time to let it air dry completely today. I'm just going back over the pieces that I just combed. So these are the curls now, y'all. We're gonna see how it turns out. This new Ouidad. Ouidad, how would y'all pronounce this? It's O-U-I-D-A-D, Ouidad, the curl experts. Ouidad. I'm not sure, but I like it. It smells really professional, like salami, so. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna let this air dry and I will come back and talk to you when I'm all done, when the hair is dried out, sis. Okay guys, I am back. This is the final look. I think I'm loving this stuff. I need a haircut, so it's a little longer than I want, but Ouidad, me and Ouidad gonna be friends. I like this. It's super light and fluffy. It's super light and fluffy. I love it. Like I said, it's a little longer because I want more of the fro look, but my hair is so heavy because it's long, so it's weighing down. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a haircut. I want my hair to grow. But what do y'all think? So yeah, I'm loving it. The definition is there. It's super light. I don't feel like I have anything in my hair, even though I have 3 products: leave-in conditioner plus the Ouidad stuff that I use. Ouidad stuff that I use. So super light and fluffy. Curl definition. I did damage a piece of my hair. I don't know, it's one piece over here somewhere. I can tell it's damaged from the heat, but that's okay. It'll pop back into place soon, especially if I keep doing the clay mask treatments. But yeah, this is it, y'all. I hope you enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button down below. Leave a comment. Share with your friends. You know, and I'm happy to have you here as always. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.